You know, on this S60 2001, about 2003, Volvo put a small damper for the glove box here, and this piece here breaks all the time at the top. It has a small plastic pieces. It needs to attach to a stud here on the metal frame, but when you remove it or when you try to place it back, those this looks like this. It has four of it. Those pieces break and just doesn't stay in there. So I really got fed with this. I tried several of them, four. So what I finally did, I just got a drill. I put two small holes at the bottom, and I got a piece of wire, and inserted through this way. I got it this way, inserted, pull it, and just bent it a little bit to stay in place, and then just made a loop right there. That's just a simple wire, and the loop goes just around the hole. And I did remove all the plastic pieces, all the plastic bits from it. Yeah, one other thing is that this guy has two positions. One is the extended one, just like that, and then this is the shortened one. So basically you want to lock it when you remove the glove box. You undo the glove box, just pull on it until it locks. It makes a snap noise and it stays in that position. This is how you place it back. So let's just hook the damper first. Is in the extended position. I'm going to hook it at the top. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, but I'll just hook the wire on that small stud, pretty much like this. So now it's hanging really just by the small wire loop. It sits very nicely. I don't have a problem with this. So it's a really very nice fix, and I don't have to buy another damper again, I guess. And that wire also, I can unhook it on the damper. I can unhook it, remove it, put it back without an issue. The damper won't get damaged from now on. And like I said, it's really important to have the damper in place. Don't just let the glove box drop like a rock, because it's going to shear those two tabs here, and that's not what you want. The other thing is, really need to be careful with those tabs here. So glove box has two tabs, one on each side, but the most important is that it has stops here, and that's the dash piece. And these stops, when you try to lower the glove box, if you just it's better to release these tabs by hand. If you just pull on the glove box, those stops will break at some point. My left one, it's already gone, so it's important not to break them, otherwise the glove box will just drop to the floor every time you open it. And now when I place this guy back, I always want both when I put the glove box back in place and when I lower it. What I usually do, I just slide my hand and pull a little bit on this tab and just flip it over that stop. And same, right now it's over that stop, and same on both sides. And the same I will do if I want to lower the glove box. I will just raise it a little bit the glove box. Notice my finger, middle finger, I pull on the tab and I just want to slide it over that stop.